a load calculation is necessary to make sure that we have
Hey Josh, thanks for meeting with me again today.
Hi Eric, my pleasure.
We've been learning a lot about furnaces, and now we're talking about what is the right size furnace for my home. So Josh, how are furnace sizes actually measured?
They're measured in a heating unit called BTU.
Now, I've always understood bigger is always better. So if I have more BTUs, will my house be warmer, or is that actually a bad thing?
Well, if you want to cut the roof off your house and put in the biggest furnace you got, it'll definitely keep up. No, I'm just kidding. So the BTUs are designed to fit the home's needs. So bigger is not better, and it could lead to premature failure of the equipment, overheating, danger sometimes, and then very inconsistent temperatures and comfort.
Now, would the same go for a too small of a system? Would that be detrimental to the home?
Yes. So again, we want to make sure that we have the right size BTU furnace for the home's needs. So if it's too small, you can run into some similar issues, comfort always being the first one. Now the furnace may or may not keep up in cold weather. It may run forever. So you're really not maximizing any type of benefit from that system.
And Gage had mentioned in a previous video of how to match a furnace to the home is through a load calculation, how critical it was to have that performed. Can you take me through how you perform a load calculation and what goes into it?
Sure, absolutely. And Gage is correct. So a load calculation is necessary to make sure that we have the right size equipment for the home. There's plenty of studies out there, and you'll find that third-party studies will prove to you that almost half the equipment out there in people's homes is not the right size, right? So if you're paying a professional, it's not okay for them to guess. So let's do the right things from the beginning, and let's measure the home. We have to do that when we're in the home, because we're looking at ceiling heights. Some people have 8-foot, 9-foot, 10-foot ceilings, right? They might have a different ceiling height on the first floor or the second floor. We're looking at the windows, the orientation of the windows, sizing, orientation, insulation in the attic, square footage, cubic feet, what the house is made of, right? Siding, brick, is it over a basement? Is it a crawl? There's a lot of factors that go in to make sure that you have the right size piece of equipment for the home.
So a lot that goes into it, and at 5-star, we know how critical it is to match the home with the right type of service. That's why when you choose 5-star home services for your HVAC install or replacement, we will include a load calculation right in that free estimate. So if you're ready to upgrade your home's comfort, you can download our free furnace buying guide or schedule that free estimate right at justcall5star.com.